Let's talk token utility. Token utility is what gives holders a reason to hold on to your token. It gives investors a reason to be bullish about your project. Your holders, your investors are technically not shareholders. They don't own any piece of your company technically. So you need to create real value creation for your project by offering some sort of use case, making your token useful, also called token utility. They need a reason to invest in your project other than speculating on hype. The way to do this is build real value. So start from first principles. What can I do with my token to solve a real problem for real users? One example of this is maybe holders who own a certain amount of supply can gain access to some part of your tool, all of your tool, or some upcoming feature. And I'll show you some examples here in a few seconds. Here, let's learn from some winners. Let's learn from some promising projects that have launched on Believe and just look at exactly what they did. This is a great way to just see what works in practice. So Kevin is rolling out TweetDM rewards to their supporters right here in this tweet. Sketch drop token utility. So he posted from his personal, then retweeted from the Project X, which I suggest you do. Beyond this, there's Creator Buddy, of course, which rewards people with their tokens anytime they engage with their app. They also burn tokens as they engage with their app too, creating a value accrual mechanism for their holders to keep their tokens, as it should drive the price theoretically, right? Should drive the price up over time, not financial advice, but this is the idea why that premise could be bullish. And you can do this in steps, in phases, starting with basic utility and expanding from there. Get quality feedback on how to implement token utility from your trusted advisors. You can ask your top holders what they think as well, but always seek input from your advisory team. In some cases, buying back or burning your supply might be useful as well in terms of catalyzing your token's price, but always seek input from your advisory team on whether or not that is a good idea. Here's a quick implementation checklist for you as well. So real value first, build utility that genuinely benefits users who use your token. Study the working model, study the successes, literally go to their X profiles and see what they're up to. And you can learn a lot just by simply doing that. And you can roll this out in phases. So that age-old strategy of talking about what you're going to do, then doing it, then talking about what you did holds true just the same right here. It's not just about collabs, partnerships, building. It's about your token utility as well, keeping people posted about that too. So successful token utility creates genuine value for your holders, for your users. It gives new people a reason to invest in your project. It gives current holders a reason to retain your token. Focus on the real use cases. You can roll it out in steps and see community feedback, especially from your advisors, in some cases your top holders, on what would make for the most bullish implementation of token utility for your project. So this is something that I would estimate 90+% of projects don't offer, by the way, which is why it matters. It really helps you set yourself apart from everyone else out there. All right, on to the show.